Hello everybody, happy Tuesday evening. This is Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards and Jill Norwood Designs, and I am coming on to actually share some things that have arrived at my in my craft room. So the first thing I'm going to share, I hope you guys are all having a good week, is the Dianna Marcum recipe stamps for this month. Or at least it's the installment that I just received. I'm not sure if these are for February or January. But this month's recipe is called Fiesta Chicken and Rice. It has this adorable little rooster, which could be used for so many things. I think this would make cute tags all on its own. And you could use some of your sentiments that say like, what's up, what's clucking, or, whatever you have in your stash. But I just think this is such a cute little image. And then the recipe is wonderful, the Fiesta Chicken and Rice recipe. And then the add-on always makes me smile. I love this one that says, "Thank you for helping me grow." And it's a little cactus and a bigger mama cactus. And that's perfect for Mother's Day. And then it says, "Cactus makes perfect." That's really cute. And then this one says, "Looking sharp." That would be fun for Father's Day, I think. And then she also has this word fiesta down at the bottom of the add-on right here. So these are just really, really sweet. I hope I have them in frame for you guys. So that is the Recipe Stamp Club recipe and add-on. And then with this, there was this little bonus Fiesta Coleslaw one that has a sombrero. So that one's really cute too. And I read this recipe and I totally want to try it. This sounds really good. So I might have to make this very soon. I might get the ingredients for this at the grocery store later tomorrow. And then for the a la carte stamp set this month for St. Patrick's Day, Dianna Marcum continued her mugs, and she has a little leprechaun boy mug and a leprechaun girl mug. And I love the little 3-leaf clover button down here. And then he's got a 3-leaf clover up on his hat. And then there's a 3-leaf clover here. No 4-leaf clovers, but lots of 3-leaf clovers. And then you see the 4-leaf clover is the leprechaun. So the little leprechaun has a 4-leaf clover in his hand. And he's sitting on top of the rainbow. He's got a rainbow and a pot of gold that he's standing on top of. And then she's got 3 sentiments, "Kiss Me, I'm Irish," "Wee Bit of Irish," and "Lucky." And those, of course, can be the steam on top of the little mugs. So just really, really cute. I love the little mugs. They're so fun to create with. So that's going to be a lot of fun for St. Patrick's Day to use this. And then, of course, the recipe stamps. And just a reminder that if you're a member of the Recipe Stamp Club, you will automatically receive these. The add-on stamps and any of the additional stamps that aren't part of the Recipe Stamp Club that are a la carte, you can purchase at Adornit.com. And that is the website, Adornit.com. And if you want more information, you can also check out their Facebook page for all the company information. And there's also always a Tuesday video. It's called Stamp It Tuesday. And if you go to their videos section on their Facebook page, you can look for the most recent video from Tuesday. So those are the new sets, and I am a stamp ambassador for the Dianna Marcum Recipe Stamp Club. So I will be coming back with projects featuring all of these wonderful products. So I just wanted to show those to you because those just arrived. And then I have 2 more Happy Mails that I have wanted to share, and I just haven't had time to do it. And then this is a package I received from Sweet Miss Daisy Designs, which is our Sweet Anna White. And this actually came, gosh, has it been a couple weeks now? But I just didn't have a chance to come on and film it. I had gotten sick, and I'm just behind on everything, let's be honest. So there's this cute little heart sticker in here. This arrived before Valentine's Day, I believe. And she's got a little thank you here, a little thank you sticker. I love that. That's so sweet. And this is one of the items that I ordered that I just fell in love with. She's making these beautiful little paper pads, and it says, "You make life better just by being you." And I think this is the perfect piece of paper to enclose and write a little note in your card, because who doesn't feel that way about the people that they're sending things to, that they make life better just by being you? So I just think this is so sweet. And I love Anna's Raggedy Bunny. Her artwork is just precious. I've loved it for so many years. And I'm so excited that she has, that she's gone out and she's started her own company. And I'm really, really excited to see what the year holds for us with all that she will bring to this community. So I'm excited to have that and the little sticker. And then I ordered a couple things. So on this one, there's a little apple sticker. And I love these little polka dot bags. And I had ordered this stamp, which I missed in the first go around when she had the glitch. But this one is such a cute little snowman. I hope you can see him. I love his big long hat and his fuzzy scarf. And I love that there's a little holly here. It matches the holly that's on his stamp, or on his hat rather. And then there's a beautiful snowflake background as well as this stripe background. And this one is called Cozy Wishes, and the sentiment in here is warm and cozy wishes. So just a beautiful, beautiful set. And I've seen so many beautiful projects by everybody using Anna's new sets, and it's so much fun for me. Every time I go and I see people using them, I just get excited for Anna, and they're just such charming images. They just bring a smile. So I also ordered the combo pack that she has of her Easter and spring stamps. So we have this one. This one is called Heart Banner Bunny. And I just think this is so cute. So the little bunny is holding a heart banner, and it has little patches on it. She's wearing an adorable pair of overalls. And it has sending springtime thoughts full of love to you, happy spring, and for you. So sending springtime thoughts of love to you or for you. And then you have a beautiful heart background. I love this. And that happy spring has little green leaves along the words, which is just adorable. And then the other set is called Framed Bunnies. And this is a really cute framed image of both a boy and a girl bunny. And it's just so sweet. And this one has the sentiment, you give me so many reasons to be happy. So just beautiful. I just love these, Anna. They're both so sweet. And all of your sets that I've purchased. So I'm so excited to have these in my stash, and very excited to hopefully get to create with them soon. I have some design team stuff I have to do first, but eventually I get to play with those. So thank you, Anna, for sending those to me when I ordered. And Anna's got a big release coming, and I'm very excited to see it. I hope I haven't missed it. It's been a busy week. I'm still busy helping people do taxes and doing my own taxes. So, and there's lots going on. So I'm just behind on filming, and I apologize. And I want to apologize to my sweet friend Nancy May, because she sent this Happy Mail package, and I just pulled it out of the envelope. And I had messaged her and just said I received it, but I just haven't had a chance to film it. So look at this beautiful card. I remember when she made this. This, of course, is one of Tracy Hay's stamps. I love the signature Wellington or galoshes that she has on. And look at how well this is just so beautiful. Nancy's an amazing artist. She's an amazing colorist. I love everything that she shares on her channel. I love when she shows how she creates her backgrounds. She does lots of different technique videos, and she's just a wonderful creator. So if you don't follow Nancy May, she's the Handy Scandy on YouTube. And I will link all the channels down below. I'll link Dianna Marcum's Recipe Stamp Club. I'll link Sweet Miss Daisy Designs, which is my sweet friend Anna White. And I will link Handy Scandy, which is Nancy. And Nancy is also the host of For the Love of Snowmen through the entire month of February. So we're still using snowmen. I didn't get to make a snowman card last weekend. I had to do something else, and then I just ran out of time, which is the name of the game right now for me. So, but oh my goodness, I want to play with my Tracy Hey stuff too, and I just haven't had time to do it lately. But I love the little bell she glued up here at the top. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, what a cute card. So she says, Jill, you are absolutely amazing. So are you, Nancy. I just love you, honey. And I'm so blessed to have you in my life. Right back at you, Nancy. I hope you enjoy the sweet crafty goodies. Have fun, XOXO, Nancy. And Nancy and I had talked about some stamps that she has that I haven't ordered yet. And she said, oh, I'll just stamp some out and send them to you. So that's what she did. Nancy, was I going to send you anything? I can't even remember now. I hope I wasn't supposed to send you something. Anyway, if you want me to send you something, let me know. Because was there anything I had that you wanted me to stamp out? Because I will. Um, I really can't remember what we decided that day. Anyway, that's the story of my life lately. Too much happening. But anyway, so we had talked, and that's what she is in this package, among other things. So she also sent these, and I think we had talked, she had shared these on her channel. And these are those Papermate Ink Joy gel pens. And I'm really curious to, do I have a scrap piece of paper? Here, I'll grab my Peddler's Pack business card from, ooh, those are nice. Ooh, I love the way those write. Yeah, those have got beautiful color. Papermate Ink Joy Gel Pen 0.7. So she sent me a bunch of these. That was so sweet of you, Nancy. Oh my goodness. So she sent me a teal, a red, a pink fuchsia, an orange, a purple, and a yellow gold. So, oh, these are going to be fun. These will be great for signing cards and just playing with, to highlight images and stuff. So I'm going to put those in there. Oops, if I can. That is wonderful, Nancy. So I'll have to put your name with those so I know that you gave them to me and I don't forget. And then this is what we had talked about because Sweet November drew these adorable little, among other things, these little snowmen. And Nancy had made the sweetest cards. Actually, I've seen lots of cards made with these, and I have them on my wish list. And Nancy already had them, so she said she would stamp them out for me. And I love the way Nancy did this, because I peeked at this earlier. So some of these are on postcards, but a lot of them she also wrote on the back, you know, what paper they're on. So that was really sweet of her. And there's lots of images that I can play with. Some are on Bristol Smooth and stamped in hybrid ink. And she tells me which set it's from and stuff. So this is just wonderful. So look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Look at this one with the puppy. Look at this one talking to the bird on the shovel. So these are so adorable. I love these ones with the lantern. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to color these. And then these ones are ready to be watercolored. And in this one, the little snowman is holding a kitty in its arms. And there's another kitty up here. And then this is the one with the dog again. So these ones are on watercolor paper. So she gave me lots of options. And then if that wasn't enough, she also sent, I had admired some cards that she did with this set. And Nancy and I both really love All and Create. And I love Janet Klein's art, and these are by Janet Klein, and these are these pigs, and these are just so adorable. And it says, "You had me at bacon," which I thought was hilarious. And then there's also the sentiment, "Oink." And you can see there's a girl, a boy, and then there's a pig holding a flower and another one with its hands on its waist, like going, "What?" So anyway, she sent these to me to play with too. That was so, so sweet of you. And then what else did you do? So, oh, okay. Oh my gosh, you sent these to me. That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, you guys are so amazing. These, when I saw these, when Nancy made these, I just am blown away. Look at how she did these. So this is my SnowAngel stamp set with Peachy Keen Stamps. And I love the way she embossed the skirts. And she made these prim, which the whole idea of behind my stamps is that I do like prim or homespun images, things that are very basic and simple. And I specifically made this so that it could be paper pieced easily. And so she did paper piece it, and you can see she's got the wings paper pieced out of a ticking stripe. And she's got a wood grain paper for the sweater. She's got a beautiful paper for the scarves on both of these. I love the way you colored them too, Nancy. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous. And each one is holding the Christmas tree. You can put the tree, the heart, and the star either on the sweater or they can hold them. You can do lots of different things with the items that are in the set. And then I love the way she used these little stars too, these prim stars. So just beautiful. And the greenery. These are gorgeous. And she's got a heart on this one and a reindeer charm on this one. And she's tied them with lace and with twine that has like a gold iridescent string in it. These are stunning. And then on the back, she's got Anna Wights stars and then the word joy. And these are dies from Impression Obsession, which is now defunct. But Anna, I'm sure, is working behind the scenes on many things. I know that for a fact. So we have lots to look forward to this year. So thank you for sending me these, because I can use these as examples when I show my stamps, Nancy. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You guys always just delight me with all you create. And then if that wasn't enough, she sent me some papers too. Look at this daffodil paper. Oh my gosh, where did you get these from? And look at that sunflower paper with the bumblebee. These would just be beautiful with cards. All you have to do is glue that to a card front and add a sentiment. Oh my gosh, just stunning. These are gorgeous, Nancy. Wow, I love those. She always comes, you know, she always sends me the neatest little packages. And then this is beautiful papers that have lace in them. So just beautiful. And then look at this one. Really cool. And again, I think you could just trim this with a beautiful frame die and then just add a sentiment. And sometimes, you guys, when you need a birthday card in a hurry or a little note just to tell someone you're thinking of them, it's wonderful to use your pattern papers to just create those cards. So, oh my gosh, these are so fun, Nancy. I don't know where you found those, but beautiful papers. I love that color blue. Oh my goodness, look at this one. And then there's this one too, and this one has roses in it, or I think those are roses in the background, yeah. So, oh my gosh, such fun stuff, Nancy. I wish I could just play all day, you guys. But lately, my playtime has been severely cut back, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to at least do my Saturday video. But sometimes it's really, you know, once I'm done with taxes for everybody, I think we got my mom's stuff sent off this week, so that was good. But I'm still buried in my own business taxes and other things to do. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all these little goodies in my craft room. I'm very, very excited to have all of these fun things to play with in the days ahead. And mostly I am blessed by the sweet friendships that I have in this community and all the many blessings that it provides. So I just want to thank all of you for tuning into this little video tonight. And I want to thank Dianna Marcum for her beautiful artwork and allowing me to be part of her stamp ambassador team at Adornit and getting to work with all of these fun stamps. And I'm so excited to play with what Nancy sent and also with my purchases from Anna White and Sweet Miss Daisy Designs. And Anna, I'm looking forward to your new release. I hope I haven't missed it yet. I know it's coming. But I've been away from social media a little bit the last couple days, and just a lot going on. So anyway, thinking of all of you, though, my heart and prayers are with Annette and Patty and Susan and her family, and Patty and her family, and Anna, and so many of you, Tammy. There's a lot of you that I know are facing difficult diagnoses, and you're fighting things. And just know that I've been there when my husband had cancer, and I have been there when my dad and so many others in my family have fought tough things, and I know how hard it is. So my heart and prayers are with everybody that's dealing with any sort of chronic illness or any illness at all. Try to eat well and laugh and count your blessings every day and trust that you will heal. And my heart and prayers are always with everybody. All right, everybody. It's Tuesday night. It's quite late. I hope to be back on Saturday with some Saturday morning makes. It may not be early in the morning, though. It might be more towards 5 p.m. that's coming Saturday, just to let you know. We'll see how things go, okay? All right, blessings and hugs, everybody. Please have a good week. All right, bye now.